Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say I love you, Grandma? You just said it. Say I love you, Grandma. Yes. I love you too, AZ. I love you. You little stinker, you just said it for me. What are you doing? What is it? Yummy. Yeah? What is it? Don't press buttons on that. Hey, do you want to go see Auntie Kate?
Hi, Mommy. Mommy.
Do you want to go see Kaylee?
Mommy. It says.
You want to see Mommy and Seth?
No. No, it's so. It's birds. They birds.
I didn't understand that. Do you want to go see Kaylee?
Okay. The main mouse. In the bed.
I'm going to go to bed.
In the bed. And teacher.
I didn't understand a word of that. What are you doing? Okay, that's enough. You make awful noise on the video. See what it is?
Yeah. The sign.
Are you driving it? Oh, okay. Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle?
Here's the twinkle with the stars. I see hearts on the tree. Flowers.
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 Are those pretty?
Real pretty.
Yeah.
Real pretty.
Very pretty.
It's pretty.
Okay, don't touch them or they won't stay pretty. No, don't.
They're pretty.
Yes, they're pretty. Don't touch them.
They're pretty.
Can you say I love you, Grandma?
You. Sarah.
You say Grandma. What's my name?
Gabba.
Yeah, Gabba.
It's Lisa.
Where's Papa?
I got Papa's home.
No, he's not at home. Where is he?
It's home.
He's at work.
He's home.
He's coming home.
I'm coming home. Is he home?
So what should we do? Do you want to stay here all day?
No.
Do you want to go see Kaylee?
No.
Yes?
No.
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 Oh, I gotta go.